DJI, renowned for its innovative drone technology, has unveiled the Mini 5 Pro, a groundbreaking addition to its Mini series. This pocket-sized powerhouse packs a punch, offering a remarkable blend of performance, portability, and advanced features. One of the Mini 5 Pro's standout features is its exceptional image quality. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the drone captures stunning 4K 60 FPS videos and 48 megapixel photos. The wide aperture and advanced image processing algorithms ensure vibrant colors, impressive detail, and low-light capabilities. Beyond its imaging prowess, the Mini 5 Pro offers a host of intelligent flight modes. Obstacle avoidance technology helps navigate complex environments safely, while QuickShots and MasterShots enable users to capture cinematic footage with minimal effort. The drone's long flight time and compact design make it ideal for capturing breathtaking aerial views on the go. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or just starting your aerial adventure, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a compelling choice. Its combination of high-quality imagery, intelligent features, and portability makes it a versatile tool for capturing stunning content and exploring the world from a new perspective. The DJI Mini 5 Pro boasts a cutting-edge camera system that sets it apart from its predecessors. At the heart of this system lies a 1-inch image sensor, a significant upgrade that dramatically improves image quality. This larger sensor allows for capturing more light, resulting in videos with exceptional detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro's camera is its ability to shoot 4K video at a smooth 60 frames per second. This high frame rate ensures that fast-paced action is captured with clarity and fluidity. Whether you're filming sports, wildlife, or other dynamic subjects, the Mini 5 Pro can deliver stunning footage that is both visually appealing and easy to watch. The Mini 5 Pro boasts an impressive 8 GB of internal storage, ensuring ample space for capturing and storing your high-resolution footage. This generous storage capacity eliminates the need for external memory cards, streamlining your drone usage and minimizing the risk of data loss. The Mini 5 Pro is equipped with a long-lasting battery that delivers an exceptional flight time of up to 40 minutes per charge. This extended endurance empowers you to explore and capture more of your surroundings without the constraints of frequent battery recharging. With the Mini 5 Pro, you can enjoy uninterrupted aerial adventures and capture breathtaking footage for hours on end. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a remarkable addition to the drone market. Its powerful camera, ample storage, and long-lasting battery make it a versatile and convenient choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. The Mini 5 Pro boasts a high-resolution camera capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second. This allows for smooth, detailed footage that is perfect for showcasing landscapes, events, and more. The camera also features a wide-angle lens, which provides a panoramic view of your surroundings. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, which helps to stabilize footage and reduce blur. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its ample storage capacity. The drone comes with 128 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough to store hours of footage. This means that you can capture as much footage as you like without having to worry about running out of space. The Mini 5 Pro also has a long-lasting battery, which can provide up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This allows you to capture plenty of footage without having to worry about your drone running out of power. The drone also comes with a convenient charging case, which can be used to charge the battery on the go. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is sure to impress. Its powerful camera, ample storage, and long-lasting battery make it a versatile and convenient choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage.